welcome back to Tucking It Up. My name is Tuck, and as you can see, I like to play around with makeup. So I'm coming to you with my face already done today because we are going to be trying out a lipstick. Specifically, it's the Blitz Gold lipstick from Pat McGrath. She has been having a really, basically like a fire sale on her lip products. And so a lot of things that were like $40 or so are now $12. So I couldn't pass up the chance to pick up this rather, let's just say, unusual shade. So if you'd like to see what it looks like on me by itself, and also how I think it's best used, which is layered over other lip products, please stay tuned. Let's start by talking about the product a little bit. So I got Blitz Gold in the Stargaze packaging. I believe that was like a limited edition thing, maybe for the holidays or something. But anyway, it's that particular version is sold out, but you can still get the regular packaging version of Blitz Gold on the website, at least again as of this recording. So I'm gonna insert some B-roll here, and as you can see, it's a really pretty package, right? I love how everything sparkles. I'm a sucker for that sort of thing. And then when you look at the bullet itself, right, the lipstick also again looks like it's going to be really quite sparkly, but when you put it on, what I find is it reads more metallic than necessarily glittery. So let's go ahead and put this on my lips. So I've gone ahead and removed the lipstick that I did have on, because the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take Blitz Gold and apply it by itself. So yeah, so that's Blitz Gold by itself on my lips. It's not the tea. It's not the right thing for me if I'm just doing kind of like my regular skin tone. Maybe if I was doing like an android look or something like that, you know, where I paint my face, let's say silver, but on its own, I think it makes me look quite sick, like I have jaundice. So yeah, do not recommend using it on its own, you know, because I just can't see this being very flattering for me. This just doesn't work. So let's try it with a base now. The first base I'm going to use is this bright red lipstick. It's actually also from Pat McGrath. It's Major Red from her, I believe it's her matte trans line. Anyway, I got it during the same sale where I got Blitz Gold. So let's go ahead and take Blitz Gold. I'm going to put it on to just a small brush and kind of place it in the center of my lips. So that's Blitz Gold on top of Major Red. As you can see, it gives it a bit more of a metallic, again, you can see that metallic effect coming through. And because there is some, you know, like I said, yellow/gold pigment in the base of this lipstick, it also, for lighter colors like this, it can affect the color, the underlying color a little bit. So the parts where Blitz Gold is most concentrated, you might see a bit more of an orange tinge. But I think this is an okay use of it. Not my favorite. I think the darker we go, the better actually for Blitz Gold. And so let's move on to the next color. Next up we have this matte, sort of darker red brownie shade. It's Chestnut from Danessa Myricks. So let's go ahead and put Blitz Gold on top of that and see what that looks like. As you can see, well, maybe you can't see so well on camera, I'm not sure, but it does, you know, it does interact with the base color a little bit, and so it's coming off a little bit more orange where the Blitz Gold is more concentrated. The effect actually, that color changing effect is less here compared to Major Red. And I think I really like how this is looking right now. You still get that metallic effect, but it's not super strong. I could blend this out a little bit better. There we go. Okay, so yeah, you still get the metallic effect. It's not super strong, but it's nice. Okay, so let's move on to the last color then. For the final base, I have this dark purple shade on. It's called Oh Put It On, and it's from NYX. So let's go ahead and see what Blitz Gold looks like on top of this. So that's Blitz Gold on top of a dark purple shade then. As you can see, you know, the darker the shade, the less effect that base pigment in Blitz Gold has, but the metallic effect still comes through quite well. It is a little bit more dull on this compared to, I think, Chestnut, which I had on in the last segment, but I still quite like it. I'm a sucker for gold and for metallic lips. So that does it for the demo. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I think this shade works best on top of something else. Even a lighter shade, actually, like that bright red, seemed to be, actually I quite liked it. So in terms of performance of the product itself though, I think it stacks up very favorably to the other Pat McGrath lipsticks that I've tried. So it goes on smoothly, good coverage, and also feels really nice on the lips. So thank you for joining me. Be sure to like and subscribe, tell all of your friends you know, if you like content like this and would like to see more. And until next time, bye!